Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the punctuation marks. How to use the punctuation marks. First of all, there are some rules to write a sentence in English, and those rules are called punctuations. How to punctuate a sentence? The first thing is to use a capital letter. It is very important to know where to use capital letter and where not. First of all, whenever we begin a sentence, the first letter should always be written in capital letter. Okay? To begin a sentence, we always write the first letter in capital. Then, whenever we write a special name, the first letter should always be written in capital. To begin a special name, we always write a capital letter to begin a special name, and to write I for myself also, that I is also written in capital letter. The second thing is when to put a full stop or a question mark. Whenever we end a sentence, we either put a full stop, or if the sentence is asking a question, that means the sentence is a question, we end the sentence in a question mark. Okay? Then at last we use the sign of exclamation also, or the exclamation mark, to show the surprise, to show some surprise or some extra feeling like great joy, a shock or great pain. We use the exclamation mark. Now let us see some examples. Number 1 here, there are only a few tigers left in India. Look at the first sentence. The first letter T is written in capital because this is the first letter of the sentence, and there are only a few tigers left in India. India is a special name, the name of our country. So I is also written in capital letter, and the sentence ends in a full stop because it's a statement. Then next one, number 2, Asha and I bought brushes from the stationer. Asha, first letter of the sentence, A is written in capital, and I, as I told you, for myself, that is also written in capital letters. So Asha and I bought brushes from stationers, and the sentence ends in a full stop. The sentence ends with a full stop. Then come to number 3. Oh no, what a terrible accident. Here a shock is there. Oh no. Since O is the first letter of the sentence, so O is written in a capital letter, and an exclamation mark is used after this extra feeling. Oh no, that's a shock, na? Then what a terrible accident. Since the sentence is showing some extra feeling, so we have to put a sign of exclamation at the end also. Then in number 4, today is my birthday. T is the first letter, so written in capital, and the sentence ends in a full stop as it is a statement. Then come to number 5. Are these your shoes? As A is the first letter of the sentence, so A is written in a capital letter, and the sentence ends with a question mark because it is asking you about the shoes. The sentence is asking about the shoes. To whom do the shoes belong? Then the next one, in number 6, the driver washed the car and then came to my school. It's a statement. So the first letter of the sentence, T, is written in a capital letter, and the sentence ends in a full stop. Okay. Then the last one, do you have holidays in March or in April? As D is the first letter of the sentence, so D is written in capital letter. Then March. M is written in capital because March is the first. March is a special name, and the first letter of March, M, is also written in capital letter, and April is also a special name, the name of a month, that is a special name. So A is also written in a capital letter. And since the sentence is asking about holidays, it's a question, so at the end we have to put a question mark. I hope you all have understood the use of these punctuation marks. So, bye for now.